Hey friends, if you encounter code 40, Windows cannot access this hardware, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The second solution is to update the driver which was problematic. So search for device manager and open the device manager window. Expand the list of drivers which are problematic. Let's say these are the camera drivers. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically for driver. Then you can also reinstall this driver, and that is the best option. Right click on it, select uninstall device, select uninstall device once again, click on action, scan for hardware changes. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and click on OK. Click on next and it will start detecting for problems and fix it if possible. The next solution is to perform a system restore. How would you restore your system to default? So here's how you can perform a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to system restore. Select a good restore point. Click on next. Select the restore point. Click on next. Click on finish and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.